Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your knowledge of payment solutions with BitPay, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your knowledge of payment solutions with BitPay, start by visiting BitPay's official website. Take time to explore the various services they offer. Familiarize yourself with the different cryptocurrencies supported by BitPay. Read through the comprehensive FAQs section to understand common queries and concerns. Sign up for a BitPay account to get hands-on experience. Once you have an account, navigate through the dashboard to explore the available features. Review the developer documentation for in-depth information on integration options. Experiment with creating a payment link to understand how transactions work. Study the fee structure to grasp how costs are calculated. Engage with the BitPay blog, which shares updates and news about the payment ecosystem. Follow industry trends by subscribing to cryptocurrency news outlets. Participate in BitPay's webinars and tutorial sessions for real-time learning experiences. Join online forums and communities to discuss strategies and insights with other BitPay users. Consider taking courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to enhance your understanding. Implement what you learn by using BitPay for small transactions or services. Regularly revisit the BitPay website to stay updated on new features and changes. Document your learning process to reinforce your knowledge and track your progress. By following these steps, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of payment solutions with BitPay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.